Hey everybody, thank you for watching. Apologize about the noise in the background, but just wanted to say thanks for watching. This was definitely an interesting and fun project to work on. It still kind of looks like a turtle skull, but you know, it's hard trying to kind of catch the essence of what a bobcat skull is. A house cat would have been a little bit easier just because the eyes are kind of the main focal point. But bobcats do not have as large, or at least this one, eye sockets than a house cat. So if you saw the deer skull that I did, the wooden deer skull, I attached antlers to the wooden skull, and that kind of made it a little more obvious, you know, what you're looking at. But with this, there's no natural elements on it to kind of scream, hey, this is a XYZ skull, right? So it was just kind of like, again, trying to catch the essence of what a bobcat skull looks like. So I tried, you know, it's a fun process. That's the fun thing about creating stuff, is just give it your best, and you know, you learn. Next one I do, I'm sure it will look more like a bobcat. So anyhow, thanks guys for watching again. Do please consider subscribing. Videos come out every single Monday on the topic of skulls and carving, and I generally put those two together. So thanks for watching. Hit me up on Instagram, hit me up in the comments below. Would love to hear your feedback and what you thought about it. All right guys, appreciate it.